everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel for another science experiment using materials you probably already have in your kitchen. I'm Miss Lish, this is Professor Bear. Good to see you again, sir. And let's get started. All you need to make this experiment we call the lava lamp is some baking soda and a clear jar, vegetable oil, white vinegar, and food coloring. I already have some baking soda in the bottom of my jar. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it about half full with vegetable oil. Shake this around, make sure those clumps are broken up. Okay. And now I'm adding the vegetable oil very carefully. Oil can be pretty messy if it spills. There's my oil ready to go. I'm seeing some bubbles moving up from the baking soda already. That's always a good sign. Now, I want to add blue food coloring to my vinegar. Just a little bit. And I'm going to swirl it to mix the color up. If you have a spoon, you can always stir it. But swirling does the trick too, very gently. My vinegar is ready, my oil is ready. It's time to start mixing them. So very slowly, I'm going to pour the vinegar into the oil and let's see what happens. Here we go. Ooh. Whoa, something's starting to happen. I am seeing bubbles. Bubbles are forming on the bottom. Bubbles are moving up. I'm going to add more vinegar now. Wow, I'm seeing a reaction happening. There are bubbles moving from the bottom all the way up to the top. And I can hear it too. Can you hear the fizzing? You can see the bubbles on the camera. And let me add a little bit more. Ooh, some foam is starting to develop on the top. This is really exciting, you guys. Oil and water always separate. They have different densities. So oil will usually float to the top. Ooh, and vinegar is made out of water. And so the water from the vinegar and the oil are separating. It's causing a super cool chemical reaction right now. I'm going to hold it up so that you can see it. This is so cool, you guys. And just because I have some more vinegar left over, I'm going to pour it in. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. All of it in, all of it in. Interesting. I thought I would almost see a big explosion. I don't see an explosion happening, at least not yet. But, oh, here we go. We're starting to see some more movement. I'm going to hold it up again. Take a look. Isn't that so cool? And the nice thing about this is these are all ingredients you probably have already in your kitchen. You can make different colors. You can mix colors. So much fun. It's a cool thing to look at. I wonder how long it'll fizz for. Please try this at home and let us know how it goes on our social media pages. Like and subscribe for more science videos. Remember to be well, and Professor Bear and I will see you next time.